Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best electric jackhammer. Stay tuned as we explore its powerful features and see why it's a game changer for your demolition needs. Let's get started. Product features. Powerful yet reliable. With a 2,000-watt 14-amp motor delivering 60 joules of impact energy, this jackhammer makes even the toughest concrete and brick tasks feel manageable, helping you get the job done with confidence. Effortless bit changes. The SDS Hex tool-free system lets you swap bits quickly and securely, saving time and reducing frustration so you can focus on your work, not the setup. Comfort in every angle. A 360-degree adjustable handle ensures you have full control and comfort, easing strain on your hands and wrists even during long, demanding projects. Work without fatigue. Advanced anti-vibration technology softens every strike, helping you work longer with less fatigue, so tackling big projects feels less tiring and more satisfying. Hands-free convenience. The self-lock switch keeps the jackhammer running without needing to hold the trigger, making extended tasks easier and more comfortable for your hands. Built to last. Crafted for heavy-duty demolition, this tool stands up to tough jobs day after day, giving you reliability and peace of mind for every project. All-in-one kit for ease. Comes with chisels, gloves, and a handy roller toolbox, so everything you need is right at your fingertips, making storage, transport, and setup stress-free. Pros. The 2,000-watt motor makes tough demolition easy. SDS Hex bits and adjustable handle make it simple to use. Anti-vibration tech and self-lock switch keep you safe. Heavy-duty build ensures long-lasting performance. Roller toolbox makes transport and storage easy. Cons. At 35 pounds, it may feel heavy during long use. Like most demolition tools, it is quite noisy, so ear protection is recommended. The cord may need an extension for larger work areas. Final thoughts. The Garvey electric jackhammer is a powerhouse tool designed for professionals and serious DIYers alike. Its combination of power, safety features, and user-friendly design makes it a top choice for demolition projects. Whether you're breaking through concrete, brick, or tile, this tool is up to the task. Remember to check the price link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to BackTech Product and like this video for more in-depth product insights. Thanks for watching.